You know, honestly, this didn't even occur to me as a possible Halloween-themed stream. Just didn't even cross my mind. But, hello everyone. I just had this idea, and I didn't know what to stream today, and I was like, oh, that'd be a good idea. That'd be a funny stream. So, that's what we're doing. So, let me explain what exactly I'm about to do. It's actually, I toyed with the idea of, like, forcing a VTuber's neck to move, but the original idea for this is actually, and what we're going to be doing today, is, we're going to be making a plugin that if it detects that your neck has just, like, cranked off to the side, it's going to make a neck cracking noise. That's all that's going to happen. Because I would add like a Twitch extension element to it, but I want this to be able to just be a browser source in OBS, and the Twitch library that I use can't do that. So we're just gonna do the sound thing. That's what we're gonna do. That's the plan for today. Is my thing weirdly shaped? No, it's perfect. Okay. Okay. So, I took one of my, I have almost all of my projects, VTubing based Unity projects, are all based out of the same Unity. I don't know. I keep like branching off these projects, and basically I just took this one and I deleted all the stuff I didn't need. So basically all the annoying stuff is already done, which is nice. However, except for those things. Okay, there we go. We're not gonna really use the Twitch one. I don't intend to use the Twitch one today. But we are gonna be using the VTube Studio one. And all the VTube Studio code is my version. And I'm slowly extending it as I have ideas or start wanting to use more functions of it. So, first things first, speaking of VTube Studio, I need to add the ability for it to get the value of our parameters. So, let's see here. Face. So I was thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna do this, but I was thinking maybe I could add in the like losing tracking component of it, because usually that's what happens when these things happen, but I'm not really, you know, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Okay. So we want an input parameter list. Do I have that? Did I add that? I don't think I did. Oh no, it's right here. Yeah, okay. So then I go down to the bottom of this data list and I just copy some other one. I don't care if this is bad or weird. This is how I did it, and that's just how it's gonna be, okay? Sorry. Add a new type. This one's gonna be called, I guess, not a list. I don't want to wait. I don't want a list. Wait, what did I want? I want parameter value. That's right. Can't see chat. Where's chat? And then I just have this mimic the actual thing, the actual message that I'm sending to VTube Studio, which in this case is just name, which is just super great for me. We don't need that. We want the constructor to take a string data dot name. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Huh? Oh, I named this. I did this wrong. Okay, there we go. Dot name equals parameter. Cool. Okay, so that part's done. We also need to make the response. Do I actually? Yeah, I do put responses in here. Okay, so I mean, I guess we don't have to. But yes, I haven't done a programming stream in a while, really. I really haven't. You know what? I'm not gonna I'm just gonna parse it manually. Because I'm lazy. Okay. So now we need to write a function for this to actually do this. And what I'm thinking is, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that I'm kind of do it the same way I did this one. Which is where I just register like, hey, I want to know these values, and then it's just gonna continuously get the values, and then I'm just gonna grab it whenever I feel like it, so I don't have to worry about callbacks and stuff like that, because I really don't feel like doing that. I'll be honest, I'm not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood to deal with that right now. Meow. So why did I do it? Wait. Oh, I see. I just store the whole thing. I don't want to do that. I want to... I guess I'll just make it its own thing down here. What am I going to call it? Imagine ever being in the mood to deal with callback hell. I've worked in quite a few environments where like everything was callback based. Like they did the whole thing like callback and delegate based. It's not my deal. Yeah, a lot of the VTS is based on a continuous stream. But yeah, technically it will be slightly perhaps out of date sometimes, but I don't care. This is for funsies, so that's fine. Get the value of one specific parameter. Okay, and then what it gives me is the name of the parameter, what it was added by, which I don't need, the value, the min and the max. Perfect. That's actually perfect. Okay, so I'll make it so that when it hits the max, I guess, at a certain speed. Does that make sense? I've been trying to figure out how to actually calculate whether it's the neck's been cracked, you know? Do not recommend. Okay. Parameter value. Wait, did I call this data? That's not right. It should just be parameter value. Then this one should be called data. Parameter value request? Yeah, it's called request. Perfect. Okay, there we go. And now we'll call this one data. And it's not going to inherit from anything. It's just going to be a struct. Hello. Oh God, callbacks. Ah! I in my real life work, in my work with a capital W, a lot of my job is callbacks and locking things to make sure things happen in the right order. And actually, well, I've been working with the VTS API quite a bit. You might notice that over time, my little RGB, right now it's just, wait, is this the right model? I'm not using the right model right now. 1 second. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I've made a blunder. I've made a blunder and a misstep. Let's see here. How can I show off my RGB if I'm not using my RGB model? I'm using the wonderful, beautiful Stream Deck. Oh cool, it's not working. I love that for me. My thing's not working. Oh no, I have resin under my fingertips. I've been having this problem where my, So, oh, there we go. Now it's working. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So, reappear. So my thing's RGB. My stuff's RGB. See? And that's through the VTS plugin. VTS API. See? I wrote my own, actually I can show it to you. I still have it here. I'm still quite large, aren't I? I wrote my own thing that just takes a unity gradient and a time and does it over that. And I use the same thing for my VTuber pen lights. Right now they're set to my colors, my image colors, but if I say this, they should, hypothetically, change color. Maybe they won't. Ah, it worked! See? I'm a magician. I think that one's another one. Yay! See? Magic. I can change my pen light color. Pen light RGB. There's quite a little bit of a delay. There we go. Woo! I can VTuber in all the colors. Pen light orange. So when Kiara starts singing, I can I can support correctly. Okay, enough of that. Oh, thank you for the confetti. There we go. Back to this thing. What was I doing? Oh, I was putting in this data stuff. Okay, so what I want, that's what I fucking want. You make those assets and give them for free to other VTubers? The one that I just did, I made specifically for myself because it's extremely custom to myself. I don't know how it would be helpful to anyone else. Yeah. But this one is gonna be free. The one that I'm making on stream right now is gonna be free. Let's see here. So I need the name. I guess I can add added by, you know, for good measure. Public float value. Min. Oop. Min. Public float. Sorry, I just had another idea for a really good VTS plugin. I should make VTuber arms for people. That's controlled by this is smart. But it wouldn't be able to pin to them. Is there another float? Yeah, default. Value. There we go. That's all we want. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna add a function. Item movement. I guess I could do it via items. But I was thinking like my plugin just has an image of VTuber arms, And then I can control all that stuff. But I guess if I just do all by images, I could do the same thing. But then how would like, oh. Yes, sorry, my brain is buzzing. I think I know what I would do. I think I'll know what I'll do for that plugin. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Right. Well, I wasn't thinking about doing it through the item system. I was thinking about basically having my plugin be almost like a video that you put over your model, but like I said, the arms wouldn't be able to move when the model moves, so then because it's separate and there's no way for me to know at a given point where I need to be. If I knew that, I could. But I could also do it via items. I could switch out items and stuff. Anyways. This is all very possible. This is future project for when item stuff gets put in. I know. Oh, and also I don't know if you saw this one, Tom, but in the Discord, someone also talked about like, well, we can't do the thing where we throw things at the VTuber, and honestly, it's so not even that hard that I kind of just want to do it, because all the stuff that I mentioned, I was like, well, you can just do this and this and this and this. It's actually not hard at all, as it turns out. Yeah. But anyways. Anywho's it. I'm doing something actually a little bit similar, or like, no, I guess I won't be doing the thing where I actually make the VTuber's neck crack, because I was thinking an extension of this would be like extension of this would be like you can have a Twitch redeem that cracks the VTuber's neck. But like I said, it doesn't work with browser sources in OBS. So anyways, next step. I'm gonna have a list of parameter, I guess. I think I started, oh yeah, oops. I should fix this actually. At the beginning, I started with them all having VTube in the beginning, and they should continue that. Okay. There we go. So now, I have a list of VTube parameter value data. There we go. Tracking parameters. Public void start tracking parameter. Crack is in murder. Oh, not a float. String. It would be kind of funny if you had the net crack and then it did a hotkey, like my like this one. My blue screen hotkey. And I need to initialize this list on start. Tracking parameters equals new list. Just make that list for me, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm excited because once we're able to like do stuff like spawn and move items, like the bonk and stuff, that's gonna become very easy to do. Oh, and I should create the constructor too. And it should just take the name. Parameter name. Name equals parameter name. Bam. Oh. There we go. And then, in our little update, do I even have an update in here? Oh, I sure don't. I sure don't. Okay. And I just do everything via fixed update. I know you're supposedly supposed to be able to do like 1,000 requests per second, but that's not been the case for me, so maybe it's the WebSocket I'm using. But fixed update's good enough for what I need to do. So for each VTube parameter, I spelled that so completely wrong. I'm just gonna call P in tracking data. And I need to make a new private. Request parameter. Not parameter. Wait, is this parameter? Oh yeah, that's what I want. I don't. I was. Oh my god, I was so confused for a second. Oh yeah, that doesn't have a built-in WebSocket implementation. Well, they're strangely moving away from built-in anything. They want you to get everything from the asset store. So. Just needs the name, parameter name again. And it's just going to do all this stuff. Except instead of this, it's gonna do a VTube. I'm a big copy paster. I know it's bad. I know it's bad. I don't care. I don't care. It's fine. Least amount of work as possible is what I always say. And then it just does it. Great. Fantastic. You know? Oh. I just realized I should just make this a function. Let's just do that actually right now. I should just have a private function that sends a message and that's all it does. Because these are all send VTube message. These are all VTube message types. There we go. And then I can just do this. Except instead of this part, I just give it, or the request. Like that. Done. Bam. Speed is more important than elegance in doing live coding. Exactly! See, you get it. I would like to do both. That would be nice, but you know, that would be unrealistic. Bam, look at that! Cleaning up my code live on air. You love to see it. You love to see it. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Get a load of that. Get a load of that. Nice. Anyways. So now we need to actually call this. Actually, you know what? I don't even need this. I don't even need this. Now that I've just done that thing I just did, I don't even need this. Bam. Because I can just do this. Send VTube Studio message. Oh, gorgeous. Oh man, P dot, is this just called, yeah, name. Oh, you can't see, sorry, you can't see chat very well. I knew that would happen eventually, but I wanted chat to be, there we go. I thought the house cleaning stream was a different day. Okay, now I need to write what it does when it actually gets the data back. So where's my little handling thing? Here it is. Case VTube data dot parameter value. Is this? Yeah, this is all responses, of course. So, oof. Just before this stream, I poured another try into my resin mold. Let's see how it goes. Anyways. Oh! Rather than this being a list, this should be a map. Or a dictionary, I mean. Are they called dictionaries? I think they're called dictionaries in Unity. Am I crazy? What's happening? Am I losing my mind? Is it a map? I can't remember. No, it's a dictionary. Okay. There we go. There we go. Ah! What just happened? What was that? That's not what I meant to click. Yeah, like that. Because then we can just grab it. Now, unfortunately, I could change my little loop back here. Is it just a he? Oh, no, I can say in keys. I can get a string. String P. Bam! Ha! Ha! How did the first try with the mold go? It's actually not that bad. However, it didn't get to some of the little parts that I needed it to. And also, one part was so thin that it just, like, there was nothing there. Which honestly, I could have used it, but honestly, I had so much resin, like, left over, so I was like, might as well try again. And I got the color, like, because I used dyes and stuff, so this time I actually got the color that I wanted, hopefully, because I forgot one of the dyes last time. I tried to make it a pearlescent black. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Anyways. Data. I forgot how to do this. I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah, it's just this. So we got... Guess we'll just do them all every time. Let's get the name. String name, parameter name equals that. It's just defaults as a string, doesn't it? And then we're going to get that. So VTube parameter value data. I'm gonna save that as D because I'm lazy. From the tracking parameters. There we go. And then we're gonna start setting those values. So D dot, oops, dot, let's just do it in order, added by equals data added by. Yes, there's an easier way I could do this. Do I feel like figuring it out? No. Yes, I could serialize the data into it. Do I feel like doing that? No. We're doing this live on stream. The easiest way I can. Value's the important part. Min is data min. This might be totally wrong. I might be getting everything wrong. It might be broken immediately. It's fine. It's fine. Max. And then default value. D dot default value equals data default value. or yeah, there. Bam, 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 shablam, ham. So now, every time I start asking, or I should actually, before I do this, if tracking parameters dot contains. There we go. We stand safety in this house. You don't know what's happening, but it looks great. Well, we're about to, I'm about to, what's it complaining about? Oh. What do they call it? It is add. Oh, I have to, like so. There we go. Now I'm going to make a new script, and this one's going to be the one actually handling the neck cracks. I'm just going to call it neck crack. So this one, please open. There we go. This one we're going to store our connection to VTube Studio, my little API, what's it called? I can't program and speak English at the same time, quite frankly. It's a real problem for streaming. That's why I don't do so many programming streams. I'm just gonna manually store the names, okay. The names of the three, so okay, here's what's gonna happen. I'm going to track the values of the Y, the X, and the Z. And so this is what that's gonna be. So public string, I just made myself dizzy. Parameter X. Y, Z. So it goes. And then at the very beginning, or actually, I did have one callback. You can register a callback for when it actually connects. I think. Is that in here? Did I copy the project? I definitely wrote that, but I don't know if it's in this version. Yes, on VTube Studio connected. So, at the beginning, we're gonna first get this. So it's just gonna be on the same object. So we're gonna say get component. VTube Studio. And then VTube Studio connected dot or plus equals public void connected. Ah, why? I can't believe you've done this. Oh God. Something like that. That's not right. That's not right at all. What is it? Oh, it's called this. I spelled this wrong. There we go. Haha, delegates. I know, I typoed. I know I typoed. Speak late then? Oh God. We're just gonna keep this as a bool. Spell connected wrong again. I know. If connected, that's when we start doing stuff. Okay, oops. So and then we're also going to register. Actually, we can just do that on start, really. It doesn't matter if VTube Studio is connected when we register our, so really I don't even need this. But, actually I really don't need this. But it was cool to show off for a second. Register, no, what is it? What did I call it? Start tracking? They call it start? Oh, that's bad. Why did I do that? For X. And of course, Y and Z. Oh, I'm starting to get very hungry. I think I'm gonna have pizza for lunch. I wanted to have a burger, but unfortunately my house is absolutely noxious because of the resin stuff that I was doing. So I can't cook a burger in my house, unfortunately. It's, wasn't a wise decision on my part, I'll be honest. I should have done that in the garage. And then we need to write a function to actually get the value. So public float tracking parameter value, and just do it by the name. You say if you're already breathing it in, why not eat it too? The resin? No, it's that in my room there's no fumes, at least right now. But in the rest of my house where I'd be cooking, there's fumes. So I'm trying not to breathe it in as much as possible. That's the thing. Anyways, tracking parameters dot contains key parameter name return tracking parameters parameter name dot value return. Actually, just return the whole thing. Like, just why not? Ah, what just happened? Not just return a new one. Bam. There you go. There we go. 1-to-1 full-scale Lua model. I do want to one day make a Lua model, actually. One day it will happen. If connected, well, this is not actually fair or accurate, so I'm just not going to do that, because what if it gets disconnected? So anyways, actually I do have a, like a, there's like a connected, is connected. Like that. There we go. There you go. Then we're gonna actually track the value. So we're gonna need float. How should I do this? Should I also make a dictionary? Because I want to be able to access the min and max and stuff as well. So I guess I'll just make a dictionary of the just call it values. We're not picky in this house. I need a string. And we're going to create it. So values equals new dictionary, all that stuff. Ah! And then value. I can't remember if this was Unity or my actual work that functions this way. I think it was my actual works. I think I can just add a key that's already exists and it'll just overwrite the value, right? Let me double check. C# dictionary. If I say add some elements to the dictionary, there are no duplicate keys, but some of the values are duplicates. So yeah, it'll just overwrite the value, right? If I add a key that already exists. Scrolling down the reference page. Oh, there it is. Add specified key. Okay, super not helpful. Thanks. Thanks, documentation. Love ya. Ugh. Okay. VTube dot again, what did I call it? Tracking parameter value. Oh, I need to do this for each one, so I'm just gonna go for each. String name and how else would I overwrite it? By getting the value manually and overwriting the reference or the values. That's what I have to do for work. Anyways, trade secrets. No. Values. Oh, right. Yes, I'm aware that it's key value and structure, but that wasn't my question. Yes, I'm aware of all this. None of this was my... You're not answering my question. Give me the answer! I'm not saying that the... Do I watch anime? Oh, I love anime, of course. I watch a lot of anime, actually. Name equals... did I do it? What was the question? Oh, the question was, when you add a key that already exists, does it overwrite the value? I have to do a dot, keys. Ah! I would assume it does. But, you know. That's not always the case. Okay, I think this does it. Yeah, I think there's definitely something I messed up at some point. So we're gonna see how that goes. Stack Overflow says yes. Oh, we can always trust Stack Overflow. Of course. The most trustworthy site on the internet. Never wrong. I'm sure it does. I'm sure this works fine. Debug log. Name plus value plus values name dot value. Shall we go for it? Okay. First of all, I have to add I haven't actually done anything in here yet. If a programmer's first try, you get nervous. That's relatable. That's pretty relatable. One time in school, in college, I had my assignment. I just wrote the whole thing, clicked play, and it worked. Not play. Clicked run, and it worked the first time. And it was Huffman. Not encoding. Not Huffman. I don't know. It's called Huffman coding for some reason. Let's see. What did I just call that thing that I just wrote? Neck crack. And in my VTube studio, it's just the default names, which are... Let's see here. Param angle X. Param angle X. Param angle Y. Param angle Z. Oh. Okay. That's an extremely aggressive first message in my chat, Leonardo Diaz. Oh, I see. I read it wrong. I'll be honest. I read your message wrong. I read your message as, oh, I have a null reference exception. I love that for me. I'm sorry, I read your message totally incorrectly. Oh, I didn't. Look at me. Look at me, I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Okay. I fully read your message as like, I just got recommended this stream and this lady, she's so emotional, so weird. Okay. Why? Did I not, I thought I did this. It's right here. Well, okay. Let's see here. Why did this get a null reference? What did I do wrong? Oh, because they're, I know exactly what I did wrong, actually. I should do this on connect because VTube, because this is initializing before the other one. Dot, somewhere there's a gun I programmed that's waiting to shoot me in the foot. Accurate. Okay. Let's see here. What was I doing? I got so distracted. I'm so sorry. Oh, right. I need to make this callback. Plus equals. Void connect. Gosh. I cannot spell connected to save my life. And then that's when we're gonna start doing these. There we go. Now it should work. I don't care. Attempting connect. Okay, here it is. Yay. Okay, allow. WebSocket open. It tried to ask again. Should I click allow again, I guess? It's opening a bunch of WebSockets. Why did it try more than once? Oh, that's very odd. It's not supposed to try more than once. Interesting. Anyways, now, why isn't this happening? Because I'm not getting any readout. Oh, because I never actually added it to the dictionary. That would help. That would help. Values.add. I guess I have to do it for each one. And then new. Yeah, VTube, that thing. Y, Z. There we go. Now let's try it. Ho ho! Oh, cool. Stop. What's this? See? This is a... This is exactly what I was asking about. Really? This is such a weird... Maybe I'll just do it manually. Maybe... I don't want to do it manually. I don't want to do it manually. I don't want to do it manually. guess no matter what I have to do, it's gonna be kind of manual. Let's... This is what so this was my second thought, is this. And then we'll just change the values, which sucks. Dot value, I guess it's mostly all we care about. Ah! I hate this. Or can I do like a copy to? Or I guess I could override the equals operator. Oh my god, this is getting so complicated. This is ridiculous. I'm just gonna do this. I don't need the added value. Let's go with the default. Actually, I don't even really need the default value. Oh, I need the min. Please give me the min. One small min is a treat. Give me the max. Need the max. Thank you. Is that all I need? What else is there even? Go to definition. You can use breakpoints. You can use breakpoints in Unity. I'll show you. And now, when I click play in Unity, so it says attempting connect. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it's stopped because it connected already. And here there you go, the breakpoint triggered right here. Continue. So, it's doing something, but whatever it's doing is not working. Just says 0. And I think that's on the VTube Studio side. Let me undo this breakpoint. Let's grab data. Let's print out data. Let's see what's happening. Tell me, I don't know. It's never parsing it. It's not parsing it. So is the switch case just not working? I think that's the case, to be honest. Let's see here. Oh, it's just not getting a response. Why is it not getting a response? Is it sending a request? Does it even know it's supposed to be sending a request? Oops. It sure isn't. So the tracking parameters, it isn't getting added. Seems strange. Actually, speaking of Unity debug point, let's do it. Okay, that's happening. And now it has one, and it should hit again. Has 2, hit again. Has 3, and then I scroll up here to fixed update. Okay, it's getting hit, and it seems correct. It's creating the request, setting the name. Oh. Okay, I want... Oh, here we go. I'm stupid. Okay. And it's connected. So it sends it. Why am I not getting a response? Why am I not getting any responses? Let me get rid of this because this was kind of clogging things up. Huh? Oh, it's still running. Oh god, please stop. Unity really doesn't like it if you change code while it's running. It's just giving me the name. What's happening? What's happening? Did I not write something correctly? Because I never, to be honest, I don't know that I mean, wait. Huh? Okay, no, I'm in the wrong file. Oh no, I'm starting to get hungry. When I get hungry, I can't think even less. Oh no. Okay. So... the data it's getting back is just... How about we print the whole response? Or print the whole print the whole message. What am I getting right now? What? This is the whole message? What? That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. What is going on? Where did all my API stuff go? There it is. So, huh? Do I need to two-string the response or something? No. It is a string. I'm getting a response, but the response doesn't make any sense. Oh, that wasn't the response. That would explain why it didn't make any sense. There we go. Okay, I'm just getting 0 responses is the answer. Not a single response from VTube Studio. Not even a, like, you didn't... You have to provide data to inject? Wait. What is this? Oh, it's complaining. I don't know why it doesn't keep complaining though. It could be continuously complaining. Oh wait, what is this? I was never trying to inject data. Why is it trying to inject data? These API errors don't seem to be related to... Yeah. Huh? Did I call it the wrong thing? No. Why when, what, huh? Okay, let's restart this. Let's add another breakpoint. Love breakpoints. Love to see it. No, stop. I don't actually want you to run. Oh, it's not actually running. Okay. Why is it trying to send inject parameter data? Yeah, I know, but I'm not sending an inject parameter request. At least I shouldn't be. That's why I'm confused. There is 3 of them though, which makes me think that for some reason, this is confusing on many, many levels. Did I call it? Did I send the wrong thing in my update? Oh, there is an update. Thank you. Good luck with your code. Okay. Parameter value request. I'm having a thought right now. Oh, I forgot to set the message type. No, I didn't. It's right there. Oh, it's the wrong one. It's the wrong message. I set it to the wrong message type. 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 What's this one? It doesn't exist? You don't exist! What do you mean it doesn't exist? It's right here. When it says parameter, does it mean input parameter or output parameter? Can I not get output parameters? Can I only get input parameters? Oh, no, this is different. Can I only get, wait, can I really only get input parameters? Can I not get output parameters? Can I, because I want a live 2D parameter, and I'm now seeing that clearly this is a tracking parameter. I guess technically it doesn't matter in my case, but that is a, it seems, am I, wait. Am I wrong that you cannot get the value of an output parameter right now? Is there no way within the API right now to get an output parameter, to get a live city parameter? Because I'm not seeing it. It says, the only one I see is get the value for one specific parameter. It does not, oh yes, it's an input parameter. It doesn't seem that there's any way to get the oh, the only way to do it? Wait, I see here. The only way to do it is to get the value of all of the parameter of the live city, all of the live city parameters. You can't just get one. Which I'll be honest is a little strange. You know what? In my case, it doesn't really matter though, so I'll take it. I will take it. It's fine. Face, angle, X. It's the same either way in my case. but it seems somewhat strange to me that you can only get all of the output parameters at once. Bam, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, yeah, baby! That's what I'm talking about right there! Ooh! Okay. Let me just delete all these breakpoints. Stop debugging. Delete all the breakpoints. Yes, delete all the breakpoints. And also, I want to get rid of the print that I have. Cool. And we're going to unhide this one. Are we ready? What do we think? Do we think it's gonna work? It's working. Okay, now we do the fun part. We don't need this anymore. Now we do the fun part. Oops. Gonna store them manually, 'cause I don't care. We're going to save those values. And we're going to compare them. And I'm also going to add a sensitivity. Public sensitivity. Oh, it's a float. I keep spelling. I spell float wrong so often. Okay. So here's how this is gonna work. It's gonna compare bool trigger equals false. It's going to compare the value. So essentially, if value minus, oh shoot, I do have to do it. Wait, I do have to do it on a list. I do have to do it in a dictionary. A dictionary. Give me a dictionary. Throw the dictionary at him. Previous values. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. We are within 30 minutes of cracking VTuber next. I hope you're ready. Oh, and this needs to just be like 0. 0. I got them from a website called freesounds.com or something. Here, let's listen to them. Let me turn my headphones back on. Okay, here's the first one. This might be loud. Let me turn it down just in case. Oh god, I'm really sorry. That was extremely loud. I don't know why that was so loud. I have absolutely no idea why that was so loud. There we go. We've hit the sweet spot. So there's one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. We're just gonna randomly cycle through them, which is actually public list audio clips sounds. Okay, so if value minus prev values of name I'm gonna take the absolute value of that. Is greater than values name. I just realized there's no reason that we need to save these. We don't even need to save this. Wow. I'll do that. I'll deal with that in a second. Dot min plus values. Not, I guess. We need to take the absolute value of all these. All this stuff. All maximum absolute values. I guess not plus. Wait. How does this work? No, max minus min, right? Values dot max values dot max minus dot min. Let me take the absolute value of that. Times the sensitivity. Okay, so sensitivity is going to be a value between 0 and 1. So basically, if it's greater than that value we've determined, then we're going to trigger a sound. So trigger equals true. Twigga equals twoo. And audio source. Just gonna call it audio because I'm lazy. We're gonna get it at the beginning. It's just gonna be on the same. Okay. Whoops. Ooh, something went wild there. Okay. So if trigger equals true, if trigger, then audio. Please, audio dot play one shot, and then we're going to choose a random one. So sounds, and then random from. Or random dot range from 0 to sounds dot count, like so. Let's do that. So first of all, the sensitivity we're gonna set pretty high right now, and also where are those sounds things? Did I not set it to public? Oh, because it didn't compile. Is that what it's complaining about? That can't be what it's complaining about. Oh! That's what it's complaining about. There we go! Okay. Oh, was I not also, sorry, I just realized what your message said. Did I not make it clear that when I say next crack, I mean next snap? I mean snapping VTubers next? Was I not clear about that? It didn't occur to me that I guess they are different things. I hate this. Okay, this should work. Like, I think we're done. I want to add some UI and stuff, but I think we're done. I did that in an hour? Good job, me. Okay. Oh, I don't have an audio source. Okay, let's do that. Audio source. There's also no audio listener in the scene, I think. Oh, no, there is one. Wait, why does the camera have an... Oh, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, okay, that's fine then. Shall we try it? Shall we go for it? Is it playing? It got a null reference exception. Oh, I always do this. Every single time I do this. I never remember to actually initialize it. Okay. Okay. Turn the sensitivity down. Sensitivity was too high. That was very loud for me. No. No. Let's put a cooldown. I'm way ahead of you, Dork Angle. Let's actually call it on cooldown. And then we're also going to, this is how I do cooldowns, don't roast me. Is this what is it? It's the enumerator, right? I think so. Cooldown timer. Yeah, okay. Yield. New. Wait for seconds, right? Cooldown. This is it. I think this is how I do this. Am I wrong? No. It is a numerator, right? Oh god, I never remember how to write coroutines. I have to look it up every time. There's too many things. There's too many things. Yeah, I was right. Is I enumerator. Yield return. Okay. There we go. Wait for seconds. There we go. Cool. And then it should just set on cooldown to false. If and not on cooldown. Bam. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Cooldown's gonna be 1 second. I think that's reasonable. Also, I think 0.25 was what we settled on. Or use 0.2. Is the cooldown just not ending? Why did it do it at the very beginning? Oh, because it goes from 0 to, yeah. Yeah, sorry. That was my stomach. How do I prevent this? I'll just add an import. First calc is what I'll call it. Oh, it's so jank. I'm sorry. So otherwise it's just gonna do it to start every single time. It did it anyways. It did it anyways! Oh, because I put it in the wrong spot. This should be... at the end of the update. Okay. It did it anyways! Am I getting 0 as the wait, what exactly is happening? I'm getting 0 for a while because it hasn't actually gotten the value. Oh. We're going to add a new thing. Public bool. What should I name this? Retrieved? Set? I'm gonna call it set. Set equals true. Okay, so now I can get rid of this. Oh, I can hear my tummy. If values name dot set I think this is still gonna actually I think that the first calculation is still gonna be a problem. Oh my god, I was never setting the previous value. How did this work at all? Oh! I understand now. I goofed it. I goofed it real good. Oh, I goofed it. So what was happening is every time I got close to 0, it was just, yeah. I think sensitivity should be quite low, because there's no way... What's happening? Oh. It might still crack at the beginning, though. Oh, it didn't. This is really hard now. See, it's hard now. Now it's really hard to trigger it. Okay, wait, here's an idea. Oh, see, my smoothing is too high. So if let's say if I start here. Okay, that's the highest it's ever gonna be. Okay, wait. See, my WebSocket closed. This is what I'm talking about. My WebSocket closed. Damn it! That's frustrating. Maybe the WebSocket I use is just garbage. I wonder... Well, let's just turn the smoothing down on my thing for now. Now you're seeing me in real time. Okay. See, it still smooths it. Damn, this is a good program. Why is it still smoothing it? Did I do the calculation correctly? Let's print out the calculation. This insanely long thing right here. Okay, and then let's undo that. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Tell me. Whoa. Why is that so high? I guess that's about right. 0.05? That doesn't seem right. Wait, that math doesn't check out at all. 1 second. Where is my back of the napkin? So my max for all of them is 30. So 30 minus -30 is 60. And my sensitivity right now is set to 0.05. So that's not 3, nor is it 9. Aggressive pen click noise. Oh, well, part of the problem is actually that I have my parentheses in the wrong place. No, wait, that one's right. Wait. No, that was right. No, that was right. No, JK, that was right. Huh? Oh! Why is it getting a null reference exception? Oh, because I changed code. I hate when it does that. Okay. Why is it getting that number? Let's have it print out these values. So the max, we want the max. We also want the min. And then, what is it? Tell me. 90? This is frustrating. It's giving me the wrong numbers. Which one is it saying is 90? Because, what it's clearly doing Z is can go to 90. It's oh, wow. I'm sorry. I'm really big. I just realized. I don't know how long I was really big for. Clearly, what it's doing. Is it's giving me the, like, its internal min and max. Not the min and max I have set in my UI. My question is, why would I ever want that? I wonder if it'll change if I click limit range. It's still doing the same thing. What if I just have it as sensitivity? What if I change what sensitivity means? I guess that makes sense. It's gonna yell at me. It's gonna yell at me. It's gonna start making the cracking noises. Let's make it 10. Oh, is it not printing anything now? Okay, well. Oops. Let's print out the difference then. It's starting to hurt my neck doing these tests. I need to do it in a less aggressive way. Okay. Whoop, there we go. Try this. 10 is definitely way too high now I think about it. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, it's just so small. Oh, it's only getting it every once in a while. Five is pretty reasonable, I think. Why does it still smooth me so much? Let's try 3. Okay, only show this to me if it's above 0 because this is getting frustrating. If the difference is above 0. Above epsilon. Math f dot epsilon. Okay. Oh, when you lose tracking, it must specifically smooth you into it. Oh, I bet that's what it is. What happens if I just, like, walk away? Oh, it's set to 10 again. Oh, I got so close. Show 2.5. Wait, did I see a 4? saw 3.2. Why is it not doing it? Why is it not doing it? Wait, is set not being set? Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I wasn't setting set. It should be d.set. Oh no, I'm so stupid. Oops. Let's try 5. That's pretty reasonable. What was that, I wonder? Three? I know I can hit 3 easy. Really? What the heck? It's not doing it. It's not doing it! Okay. What the hell? 13! Nah, that's what I'm talking about. My cooldown isn't working though. Oops. I'm just gonna set it to public so I can look at it in the UI. Oh, I didn't. I forgot to call the cooldown timer. That would sure help. That would sure help. Y'all, I'm so stupid. This is hurting my real life neck. Okay, let's see if I can just like move around normally without it like, you know, triggering. What do I have the sensitivity set to? Oh, 10? That seems pretty normal. I wonder if I turn the smoothing up if it'll still happen. I normally have my smoothing set to 5. Probably won't, huh? It still happens! Okay, so can I actually just normally VTube and then it still works fine? Oh my god, this is working fine! Yes! Okay, I want to make some UI. I want to just finish this whole thing in this stream. Okay, I'm on the wrong scene. There we go. Okay. Oh right, let me go back to the corner. My neck is in pain now. That's not good. That's not good at all. We want a slider for sensitivity. Actually, you know what we want? We want a scroll view. That's what we want. And we don't want the horizontal scroll bar. Just get rid of it. And then we're going to add a vertical layout group, which will control child width. If you have a model with bells in their hair, they could make bell noises. Wait! I can genericize this. Wait, you're totally right. I can absolutely genericize this. Oh my god. Wait a second. You're totally correct. That's pretty funny. Okay. And then in here we're gonna have a what's it called? Like child, what is it called? Oh, it's gonna also have its own horizontal layout group. Use child scale for height. Control child size for width. And we need a text. We need a what's it called? Slider. Can I duplicate this? Why is it really a little big? Why is it really big? I don't want it to be so tall. Oh, it's forcing the child to expand the height. Okay. Something has gone horribly wrong. Use preferred height 1. Min height? I don't know how to do this stuff. I'm really bad at this particular part of everything. Oh, wait. Is there a way to increase volume based on the velocity of the movement? There absolutely is. There absolutely is. You are... Yes. How do I make this not happen? Okay, it's clearly being controlled by this one. Oh, it worked. Wait, that worked. Yay, there we go. Okay, duplicate that. There we go. Now we're cooking with fire. So, this is where things get kind of tricky though, because parameter. So basically what we want, okay. Should it just be that they have a list of parameters and a list of sounds and it just randomly chooses? Or should we make it even more flexible and they have a list of sounds linked to a parameter so like they could use this program for a bunch of different stuff? I'm not really sure. I guess, Now my brain is buzzing. It's doing that buzzing thing where I'm like, I can't even think because my brain is so loud. I'm trying to do too many things at once. Perhaps for now, we'll just, oh god. I want to move the slider. Let me move the slider. There we go. Let's have some padding in here too. Yeah, 10, perfect. Okay. Thinking is difficult. I really am not a big fan. I'm really not a big fan. Sensitivity. Let's just start with having it just control 1. Okay, so that's going to control the sensitivity. We're going to write some helper functions in netcrack that are going to set the values. So, public void set sensitivity float. Sensitivity value. Way too many things. I often wish I had just a a job as a fact, like a line worker, so that I could just do the same thing over and over again. Also, we're gonna save these. Oops, save float. Or set float? Set float. There we go. We also need to set it that at the start. I guess I can write a different thing for that. Anyways, oh yeah, at the start it needs to if the player prefs have this value, then it needs to set it. So player prefs if player prefs dot get float sensitivity. Didn't spell it right at all. It's kind of very important in this case. Ah! Okay. Or have float, has float, has key, Then sensitivity dot like equals player prefs dot get float sensitivity. No. Okay. There. So there we go. There's that. We need to do the same thing for all the values, and actually we're just gonna make this into okay, actually, first of all, we're gonna create a class. Spelled that wrong. Class. Tracking. Nope. Tracking. Nope. Tracking. I guess. And this class is gonna have a parameter that is tracking. It's gonna have a sensitivity. And it's gonna have the value of the parameter right now and the previous value. Well, I guess it doesn't even need the previous value because you can just use the value. Yeah, like so. Oh, and a cooldown. Oh, and a list of sounds. List of audio clips. Yeah. Okay. And it needs to save whether it's currently on cooldown. Cool on cooldown. And what was the last one? Can't remember. Cool. Don't need any of that. Don't need that. Don't need that. For each... You, Unity! How dare you talk about our, I want to say Lord and Savior. So for each one of those, start tracking t.parameter name. Okay. We've started to genericize this. We're good. We're doing good. We're doing good. So for each name, get, oh, it doesn't need a value. Public float value. By what logic do you say Unity bad, good sir? I'd like to hear it. Okay. Actually, before we even set it, we do that at the end. Right here. D dot, or not D. Okay, we need to also. I think you're just using Unity wrong. You might just be using Unity wrong. Tracking, or whoever you're watching is using Unity wrong. There's definitely a right way to do it. What should I call this? Param equals values dot name. Yeah. Okay. Really, actually, we should just do this. Tracking param there. Param dot parameter. Yeah, I agree with that assessment. I mean, as far as you know, if it fits, it works. The only thing that I can think of in this space where that's not true is like Rust. Which, you know, that's, people like Rust, and that's understandable. If it's not on cooldown, and all that stuff is true, then trigger it. Well, those are your opinions. Okay. Let's see, so we need to send the cooldown. And we also need to send the parameter information. Spelled that wrong. There we go. Okay. Ah! God. Let's see here. Param dot sounds. Also, param dot sounds needs to have more than, you know, nothing. And Let me start the cooldown timer with cooldown, and it also needs, you know, the actual parameter. Actually, I could just send the parameter, huh? Yeah, let's just do that. And cooldown, spell capital. There we go. And this is still wrong. Oh, that's just a debug print. This is also just a debug print. Ah! We don't need trigger anymore. And yeah. Nice. I guess you have to send a string too. A string for the parameter name. So values. Dot sensitivity. And here's the fun part. Just save it per parameter name. Okay. Which we need to do back up here as well. Can I go through the keys? No, I can't. Apparently I can't. That's unfortunate. How am I gonna save this? I'll worry about that later. I'll probably save it to a JSON. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. So I probably won't even use player prefs. Although, boy, is it handy, isn't it? Okay. Okay. I think this is... God, now that I've decided to genericize this, it's suddenly so much more work. Why do I do this to myself? Why am I like this? Why are you like this? Okay. We don't want an image. How dare you put this idea in my head, Dork Angle? How dare you? How dare you inspire me to start a project? You know how busy I am. Okay, so this one's gonna need a input field. The curse of being a creative. Why is it getting smaller? Why did it do that? Whoa! Don't say that to me. Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say it. Don't say that your food just arrived. Don't do that to me. How dare you do that to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why do you want to see me suffer? Also, how long has my scenes not been changing? How long have my scenes not been changing? It's supposed to be on Unity right now. Have you guys just seen, you guys haven't, no, you guys haven't just seen code like this entire stream, right? "30 minutes ago? Okay, that's not so bad. I have been on code most of this time. I don't know why I just stopped suddenly. That was super weird. Anyways. Well, I switched to, so it's supposed to switch back and forth as I switch windows, and it was doing that. Only like 5 minutes ago I switched over to Unity. It wasn't that bad. You didn't miss much. Just me trying to figure out why this got bigger for some, like when I typed the text in here. See, it gets bigger. I don't want it to do that. How do I stop it from doing that? I have no idea why it's doing that. Whatever, I'll leave it as is for now. It's fine. And actually, I do want to, I think there's too much padding. Let's take away some of that padding. We don't need it. Okay, and then we need one for the list of sounds, which is going to be kind of complicated to do, actually. Maybe I should just have it do one sound for now. It's text. No, I'm a tryhard. I'm a tryhard. I can't help it. Oh god. And then it wants a panel. Actually, it's gonna be a scroll view. With no horizontal bar. And then scroll view within scroll view within scroll view. Or maybe I should just limit it so that they can only have 3 sounds. Or something like that. That's what I'll do for now. So I'll put a panel there still. And that panel will have a vertical latex layout group. It's gonna have 3 input fields. I am making a plugin. I sure am. There we go. Everyone's clowning on me. So, I already destroyed it, but way before you came, Aton, this was a plugin that was going to just make a neck cracking sound when a VTuber, like, you know, they moved their head too fast. But then someone in chat said, oh wow, this could be really cool if you like genericized it. So like maybe if someone had bells or something, then it could like, you know, jingle, jingle, jangle. And now we're here, genericizing it. Cool down. Although I have no idea why. I don't know if anyone here knows Unity super well. I know, making code generic is where everything always breaks. When I'm gonna actually have to grab this information is when I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna look forward to it. Oh, actually, you know what? I just realized this whole thing that I wrote, it shouldn't have all of the things. This should just be set per. Oh yeah, that would be smart. Smart pants, smarty pants. I'm a smart pants. Yes, yes. What we should do is we should just have a universal or like a singleton. I know people are cringing now, but I'm gonna have a singleton access to VTube Studio and audio, and then for each of these, it's just gonna be per. Yes, yes, this is how we're doing it. Okay, I actually just need to move this because it's not even a neck crack anymore. I'm gonna call it an audio trigger. Okay, create audio trigger. I'm just gonna copy all this stuff. Oops. And it needs a cooldown. And to set sensitivity. And unfortunately the rest of this is not correct. Let's get rid of all these references to parameter. Thank you for doing the educating for me, Aton. I don't have the brain power. I don't have it in me right now. I haven't eaten today. Yeah, this stream is now going to be twice as long as I anticipated. Yeah, I refuse to re-explain. You did a good job. You did a good job. I'm not going to re-explain. Let's make VTube Studio into a singleton. Okay. Static. I'll be honest, I kind of forget how to do this every single time. 8 out of 10 air. Really? Okay, let me try again. Let me try again. Is that better? I tried to add some echo into it. What do I name my singleton classes? I just instance. I just go with instance. Yeah, I just go in full. I'm sorry. I'm garbage, I know. No, I know. Oh, I have to make it null too. No, I shouldn't. I'll be honest, most of the time I usually look up and just copy and paste. Air horns are normally higher pitched. Nope, can't do it. Oh, I need to don't destroy unload too. Well, it doesn't matter. I know it's bad. I don't care. It's fine. It's fine. I don't think I even wrote this right. Let's see if it destroys itself. What? What are you talking about? Oh god. Uh-oh. Unity is freaking out. Oh no. Okay, 1 second. Let me restart Unity. Oh, could you hear that? Oh, sorry. Let me turn dust. I can't even hear it because my headphones are off. Okay, let me restart Unity. We'll just live in a dark abyss for now. The project is still called VTuber Neck Crack. It's starting up. It's doing its best. No, I don't want to install a new version. Who would ever want to do that? No one has ever said yes to that. Oh yeah, let me just break my entire Unity project. Okay, we're back. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, people will be able to set sounds for any parameter. That's the idea. It's gonna be wacky. I'm very much looking forward to what people are gonna do with it. Okay. I guess I don't even need to keep these. Yeah, I'll just reference them at a runtime. Nope, actually that's a bad idea because I do reference it every single frame. Okay. VTube equals. You can have cursed whispers when you close your eyes. Kind of. But this is based on movement. Dark angle. Dark angle. Dark angle, why did you do this to me? Now I want to write a version where it's like, okay, if it hits this value, then it's fine. Why are you doing this to me? Damn it, dark angle. I already have a sensitivity slider, baby. I don't know what API is talking about. I guess I'll just go ahead. Because it keeps complaining about it. Yeah, I already have a sensitivity slider. Now... No, I just had a thought. Okay, so here's the problem. I'm having many thoughts right now, that's the problem. No, I should... Right now it's using input parameters, but if I wanted this to be usable, it needs to use output parameters. This stream is gonna be 20 hours long. I have things I need to do today. I'll be honest, I don't think I can do this stream much longer. Maybe... Monday. Monday we'll continue this. You know what we're gonna do? Monday we're gonna continue this, okay? I can't stream for any longer. Thank you all for being here. I very much appreciate you being here, but I'm so GD hungry. I'm so hungry. Where's my face? You can't even see my tears. Why do I even have a tears toggle? You can't even see them. I'm so hungry. And I have stuff to do. My tears aren't even right. Wow, my tears are so messed up. Let's just stop doing that. Thank you all for coming. It was really lovely seeing your faces or your usernames and icons. It was nice to see so many people who I haven't seen in a while. It's so nice that you're all here and some new faces. Absolutely beautiful. Hungry as Chrome. Thank you all for coming. I very much appreciate it. We'll continue this on Monday afternoon. Same time as this stream, pretty much, probably. That's the plan. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for coming. I'm gonna go get myself some pizza. Pizza.